welcome to my channel. Today I have for you an unboxing video featuring Love from Lizi February 2018 card kit. Unfortunately, this card kit has sold out, but you can go to Lizi's website to see when you can start your monthly subscription. Now, Love from Lizi is a UK-based company, so you'll have to refer to their website to see how to convert from to US dollars. I love that Lizi ships all of her kits in this nice sturdy box so that your kit comes to you unbent. Along with it, has a lovely note from Lizi welcoming you to the subscription kit. I'm going to set aside our embellishment kit so we can focus on the paper. I love that Lizi puts everything in these storage resealable bags for storage and for shipping, so nothing gets ruined along the way. Let's take our time and focus on the 12 by 12 papers. These are nice cardstock weight. Let's start with the first paper, which features speech bubbles and various icons with this chalkboard feel to them. I like that some of them have the little designs on them, so give you enough space for stamping. These come in various sizes. Now, if you're not into the whole chalkboard thing, you have a striped pattern on the other side. The next cut apart offers you the sentiments like celebrate everyday moments and a white chalkboard where you can stamp with black ink or using colored ink. This one is perfect for a card front, giving you the label where you can put your sentiment and plenty of space for your stamped designs. This one you can cut down so you can focus with the cupcake, and the extra you can use for another card. And this one, it says enjoy it every day. You can use it as a whole or cut it completely apart and say enjoy perhaps your birthday. Here is love your fabulous selfie. That's a great sentiment. Here's a wreath with the word love in the center. On the other side, we have a chalkboard base for floral. Here are some more cut aparts. Again, these are smaller featuring sentiments and icons. Here has a lovely wreath that says lovely. And here's another one that says happy birthday with candles, which you can either keep together or separate. Gives you plenty of options. Now this is a larger one, focusing on a cake. You could use it as a whole or cut it down. Save that extra piece. You can use die cut or stamp. More icons. Cupcakes. This one is fun. It has a heart with floral, but you can use your gel pen, chalk pen, or even stamp and emboss with white ink. Here's 1, 2, 3 things we can celebrate about you. This is another chalkboard element, that one featuring florals. Here's chalkboard base, little hearts. So sweet. Now to the cardstock. This is the cardstock we'll use for our card bases. This is the standard American size 8.5 by 11. Typically, Lizi places UK version, which is a little bit narrower and taller, but for this kit, she uses the standard US 8.5 by 11 in black, mint green, which is lovely, a soft yellow, bubblegum pink, and 2 sheets of white smooth cardstock, perfect for your alcohol markers. This is a specialty cardstock. This is a single-sided chalkboard paper. Now this is perfect for your gel pens, chalk markers, or white embossing. This is the UK version, which is taller and thinner. Now you have a half sheet of glitter paper, which I like because it's flake free. It's single-sided, but great for die cutting. These are Lizi's specialty peel off. They are thin and to thicker size thin strip stickers, which are perfect for accenting your cards or for layering between papers. I know Lizi offers these in various colors, so please check her website if you would like to order them. These are what I'm calling color it stickers. You get 9 altogether stickers featuring little accents of gold, glitter. It's so pretty. These are made for you to color with your color pencils or alcohol markers. You get a total of 9 stickers. Some are icons, which are balloons, cakes, party hats, etc., and one banner that says Happy Birthday. Now to our 6x6 pattern paper. These are single-sided pattern papers. Here we have those lovely cupcakes in that chalkboard style. This paper starts out as a stripe, ends up in polka dots, and it's a tone-on-tone green, mint green. This is a white-based floral. This is a striped variegated green to pink. Here's that chalkboard hearts again. This is a tone-on-tone pink bouquet. Here's a harlequin featuring some of that chalkboard and some of that gold that we are seeing throughout this kit. This paper is a lot of fun. It gives me that quilted feel because it has little dotted lines, which gives that stitch. And those what appears to be little dots are actually little flowers. My camera isn't focusing for you to see it. Sorry about that. Here you have a nice stripe from white to black with a little thin stripe of gold. It gives it the feel of foil, but it isn't. This is a tone-on-tone yellow. What appears to be little dots are actually little hearts. So very sweet paper. And here's a black and white striped paper with a bunch of little dots which look like fun confetti falling down. Next we have the exclusive Love from Lizi stamp set, which features balloons, a party hat, and a gift. As well, so the first balloon reads, Happy Birthday to you. The next one is Happy Birthday. It has some little streaks popping out there. It says happy. Flying by to say hi, which makes it fun because now you can use this for more than just a birthday. The next one has a nice design on the outside with a solid in the center. It's designed for these numbers to be stamped in the center of it. The party hat that says it's your birthday, and the gift that says it's a special day. You have the numbers 0 through 9 and the string for your balloon. This is a sticker book, which is white with gold foil. I like that it comes with a clear cover to keep everything nice and clean. You get 5 sheets of stickers, which have multiple sentiments per sheet, as well as icons. With fun things like, today's a beautiful day, love, jump for joy. I love that you have small icons as well as large ones. Here you have a diamond, an arrow with a heart through it. Oh wait, this is fun, a mustache. This is great for masculine cards. Be awesome. How about a crown for your little prince or princess? Forever young, I love that. You are my happy. You have arrows and 2 banners. One has hearts and another one has hugs and kisses. This is fantastic. And you have a cute little camera too. Perfect. Next, we have some wood veneers heart. We have two strips of gold mirrored chevrons in a thin and thicker size. And you have the same amount on each strip. Now you have a fun pack of sequins that coordinates beautifully with the papers. Next we have two diamond paper clips in that beautiful gold. Next we have two tags that are diamond shaped and they are wood veneers. They're gold on one side and wood on the other with a little jute cord and a white banner, which you can stamp maybe perhaps a number or maybe some of these fun stickers. This is a sampling of gold gilding flakes. These are perfect to put on your little wooden veneers or even some of those stickers. Let's have fun. Let's try that. Lizi included some ribbons here. You have a yard each, and you get a nice yellow, a thin black, thin mint, a pink, those the satiny, and then you get a nice gold lame looking one. It's so pretty. Again, coordinating beautifully with the kit. Then we have some Nouveau drops, crystal Nouveau drops, and this is in bubblegum blush, and it coordinates perfect with this pink paper, which pinks are hard to match. Finally, we have two dies. One is this little banner with 3 little stars, so this is a 2-for-1, which, you know, this would fit nicely on those little white banners to do a little cutout, or maybe even from that gold paper. This says happy birthday. Remember when I've spoken the cut aparts where you can have extra paper? Well, how about some happy birthdays from that? Well, there you have it. This is the February 2018 Love from Lizi card kit. Please go to her website and see how you can subscribe to Love from Lizi kits. I'll put the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching.